In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can make a coronavirus mask out of 3D printed parts and a HEPA air filter. Now, I'm sorry for not uploading recently, but my channel has reached 80 subscribers and we are very close to 100 subscribers, so please subscribe if you already aren't. But the first piece, which is the actual mask itself that goes on your face, took about 3 hours and 45 minutes to print, and these took about 45 minutes together to print. So total, it's, along with assembly, it's about 5 hours for a single mask. Now, for this you are going to need a 3D printer, filament, hot glue and a hot glue gun, and a HEPA air filter. And the first step you are going to take is you're going to take this piece that looks like this, and you're going to flip your mask over, and you're going to insert it into that hole. And you should feel it click into place, but it's sometimes hard to do, so alright, and so once you get it in there, it's a little bit tough, but I had to do it off camera. And once it's in there, you're going to take your about 2 or 3 square inches of your HEPA air filter, and you're going to fold it in half. And once you fold it in half, you are going to stick it in here so that it covers all of the holes. And it's okay that it's a little bit big, and you probably want it to be a little bit big because you definitely don't want it to be too small. So, and once it's flushly in there, you can take this piece that has like the lines on it, and you can sandwich it in there. This one's a lot easier to get in. And so now the main assembly is done, and you should be able to breathe through it. So, now that you have that, you are going to want to put hot glue around where the piece you inserted meets the outer piece. That will keep any outside air from leaking past the filter. And all that does is, it also keeps it from falling out, and this next step is optional, but recommended, because this bare plastic against your face can kind of be itchy, and it doesn't always get the best seal. So if you want it to be more comfortable and like kind of hold the air into it and like not escape up the side of your face, then you can put a hot glue rim around it. And you might want to trim the hot glue cobwebs and stuff and the imperfections. Now when you're making the strap, it's going to help to thread your elastic through the holes if you cut it at an angle like this. So that way it's easier to stick through. And then to secure it, you are just going to tie a knot at the end. Alright, and once you tie the knot, you're just going to cut off the extra, but you want to leave about a centimeter-ish, just so if your knot isn't tightened all the way, it won't slip and untie. because that would suck if you're in the middle of a grocery store and your mask falls off. And when you're done, it should look like this. That one is for my dad over there, but I have to fit it to his head, but he's sleeping. So this, to fit it to your head, all you have to do is you put it right here, and then your top strap, you put it around your head at the top, and then you pinch down here where it goes to the other side, and then you take it off, and you put it down here, and then you cut it and tie it where that is. And you do the same thing for the bottom one, except the bottom strap goes behind your neck. So that's it. So yeah, that's all I have for this week, and please subscribe, please tell your friends about my channel, and we're super close to hitting 100 subscribers, and when we do, I'm going to release a very awesome video. So there's the